Welcome back. How you all doing today? Hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing a decorative pillow that was sent to me by an Amazon seller. All right, they reached out to me through my email and asked if I would like to, review their products. So I was like, yeah, I'm open and I'm available. Yeah, what job do I have? Of course, I have my 9-to-5 job. Don't get me wrong. YouTube is my side hustling. All right. So I said yes. So they shipped this to me, and I'm here to show you guys what the product look like. And of course, if I'm looking down, I'm looking through their website so as to give you the right information as usual. Yeah, the pillowcase has five-star rating on Amazon, and they are sold for $17.89. There are 4 in the package, and the size is 18 by 18 inches, set of 4. Yes, and it's called gold voile stamping geometric pillow cover. It's gold and white. You are gonna see it. I'm here to review it, and also this is my first time opening it, and I actually want to feel the texture, and I'm going to tell you if the quality is right, if it's wrong, all that good stuff. So I just want to say this ahead of time. The instruction: you can use machine to wash it, you can use your hand to wash it, but they do not recommend bleach, and also they do not recommend you washing the golden part of it, because it's a kind of stamp. They don't recommend you washing it regularly. So with that, when I read that, I was like, oh, so how do we wash it if we need to wash? Because I don't see myself using it for like 2 weeks and not washing it. Okay, especially when you have kids at home, and if you have the little one that they go up and down, and I don't see myself not washing it. So I started thinking that how do we wash this if we are not it's not recommended to wash the stamping, the gold side of it regularly. So I thought about, okay, maybe I will do inside out. That's the way I would do it. I will turn it inside out to wash it, so as to prevent this gold stamp from peeling off, I think, or from washing away, or from becoming ruined, something like that. I guess this is why they said they don't recommend you washing that side all the time. And it has an hidden zipper design. It's wide. It has wide range of uses. You could use it to decorate your couch, you could use it to decorate your bed, you could use it in the office, and also you could use it during the Christmas, the New Year. You could use it for everyday presentation as well. So it's now depending on your preference. If you're not too much into something that blinks or too much things that shine, you might want to use it occasionally for holidays. But if you are the type of person I am, I love things that blinks, things that shine, at the same time classy, yes, I would recommend you can use it every day, because I am going to be using it every day. I'm just going to throw it in the living room. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the product look like. I think I've given you guys, the most important information about this pillow cover. All right, I don't know why I say pillowcase. Pillow cover. Anyway, let me see if there's anything else. Yes, because I don't want to be reading directly from the website everything word to word and prolong this video. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I don't know if you've heard before, I don't really like the sound of plastic bag. It kind of just makes me feel irritated. I don't know why. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this thing out at once. Okay, so now we have this is what I'm talking about. Like I said, we have 4 of it, 18 by 18 inches. So this is how, first of all, the chemical is kind of strong. I would recommend to wash it before you use it. Oh yeah, the chemical is strong. I believe it's whatever they use to make it, but it is beautiful and it feels like quality. Like the material feels so soft, especially the back where they don't have anything there. It's just plain white at the back, and the front is the It's geometric pattern, gold foil. I believe that is where the strong scent is coming from. It is. And again, you know, it's been in a plastic bag for a while, so things like this, you want to bring it out and turn it inside out, wash it first before you use it. I think that's what I'm going to do. Not that I think, that's what I'm going to do. Now the strong scent is fainting out a little bit, to be honest with you, maybe because it's been, like I said, it's been in a plastic bag for a while, but it's fainting out a little bit. But when I first brought it out, it was strong. So this is the zipper right here, the hidden zipper, and of course this is where you push the pillow inside and you just zip it back, and that is it. There is nothing much difficult about this, but it is really beautiful. They have different pattern. This is one. I'm gonna see if they're all the same design, but they are not the same design. This is another design, but they're all geometric design. Look at that. It's so beautiful. There is nothing at the back of the four. It's just the front that they designed. So I'm going to show you the other pattern we have here. Wow, these are beautiful design. See, look at that. It's beautiful. I like it. I'll just need to wash before I use. I think that's what I'm going to do. I like it. That's that. Then the last one is another design on its own too. It is so beautiful. There, you see, and that is it. There is nothing too complicated about this review. The material is really good. It feels good. It feels like quality. Aside from the first attempts opening the bag, and the scent that came is really strong. It's from the chemicals, and I believe by the time you wash it, all that will go down. Again, it fainted a little bit after I remove it from the plastic bag. Anyway, so I went ahead and put it in one of my throw pillow in my living room, and this is how it is looking. It's really pretty. Honestly guys, this is a good quality. I'm not gonna lie, this place feels so soft. It feels so soft at the back and the front too. Even though they have this pattern going on, it's really beautiful. It's beautiful. Like, see, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Honestly ladies and guys, because I have some guys that do watch my video, all right, I would really recommend this. If you're looking into a decorative pillow cover, I would recommend it. Ladies, let me know your thoughts about this video in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel before and you're watching my video, please, and you like my content, please, forget to subscribe. Consider subscribing, and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified every time I have a new video. And please do leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.